and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Lively Cakes and More. Hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your bell button so you get updates whenever I post new videos. So our very first recipe for this fall season is going to be pumpkin cinnamon roll, and I'll be showing you how to make that. Watch this video to the end and don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Let's get baking. The first thing we are going to do is to make the dough. In a clean bowl, pour in warm milk and a sachet of active dry yeast and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes until frothing. Now let's prepare our dry ingredients. In another bowl, add in some nutmeg, some cinnamon, salt, and mix everything properly, then set aside. Now over to our wet ingredients. To the yeast mixture, add in your sugar. Even though the sugar is not a wet ingredient, I decided to add it here so that I could dissolve the sugar properly. Into that, add in your melted butter, pumpkin puree, and whisk properly. I will drop detailed measurements of the ingredients I use in the description, so be sure to check that up. Add in 1 egg and whisk properly until everything is well combined. Don't forget your vanilla flavor. Add that also. Now let's combine our wet and dry ingredients. After adding your dry ingredients to the wet, mix until you have a dough. And at this stage, my spatula could no longer mix this, so I have to knead. And I had to put on my glove because I don't want to get my hand messy. So put on a clean surface, sprinkle some flour on the table, and knead. Now you want to knead until you have a soft dough, not a sticky dough. Keep kneading for about 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, until your dough is no longer sticking to the surface. Now place it in the same bowl with some butter around it. Cover it with a cling film or a clean damp cloth and put it in a warm place to rise for about 1 hour. While our dough is rising, we move on to making the filling. This is the pumpkin cinnamon roll filling. So in a bowl, whisk some softened butter. Add in your brown sugar, continue whisking. You could use a hand mixer for this stage if you like, but the butter is softened, so it was easy for me to use my hand whisk. Add in some cinnamon and some nutmeg and continue whisking. You could also add in your pumpkin puree if you like. After all, we're making a pumpkin cinnamon roll. Smell of cinnamon in my kitchen right now. If you're enjoying this video so far, please give this video a thumbs up, like the video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos, more pumpkin recipes coming up this fall season. Let's get back to our filling. Once the dough has risen and doubled its size, deflate it and roll it out on a floured surface in a rectangular shape, about 1/4 inch thick. Now spread the cinnamon filling evenly over the dough, leaving a small border around the edges. Then gently roll up the dough into a tight log starting from the long edge. After that, it's time to slice up your dough. You could use a sharp knife or a dental floss. I went with a dental floss. With this particular cinnamon roll, I was trying to form a pumpkin shape. Then I went around the roll using a dental floss just to give that pumpkin look. I got 9 slices, placed them in a baking dish, a greased baking dish, and set it aside to rise for another 30 minutes. Now my rolls are risen. Bake in a preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. While it's baking, let's make our glaze. In a bowl, add in some softened cream cheese and whisk. Add in some powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of milk, and vanilla flavor. Give this a good whisk until it is smooth. Once the rolls are out of the oven, drizzle the cream cheese glaze over the top while they are still warm. And there you have it, soft, fluffy pumpkin cinnamon roll with a creamy glaze, perfect for a cozy fall morning. If you get to try this pumpkin cinnamon roll, tag me on Instagram at livelycakes23. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and share this video with your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, subscribe for more recipes video, more amazing videos to come. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.